Is your 2019 Ford Focus key fob not working reliably? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it yourself is a quick and easy DIY task that can save you time and money compared to going to a dealership. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The 2012-2019 Ford Focus key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a common and readily available battery that you can find at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, or online retailers like Amazon. Prices typically range from $1 to $5 per battery. For optimal longevity, consider high-quality lithium cells. You'll only need a couple of simple tools for this replacement. First, a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to gently pry open the key fob casing without damaging it. Second, you may want tweezers to carefully remove and handle the small CR2032 battery, preventing it from falling out or getting damaged. Locate the small seam on the key fob casing, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the slot. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery clearly positioned on the circuit board. Use tweezers or your finger to carefully remove the old battery from the circuit board. Handle it gently to avoid damaging the contacts. Before inserting the new battery, note the correct polarity. The positive side with the plus symbol should face up toward the fob's buttons. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up and it's properly aligned with the internal contacts on the circuit board. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure that the casing is securely closed to protect the internal components. Now test the key fob's functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure that the new battery is working correctly and the fob responds properly. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, first double-check the battery polarity. The positive side should face up when inserted into the fob's contacts. Second, make sure you're using a brand new battery. Old or depleted batteries might seem to work initially, but fail quickly. In rare cases, if the fob still doesn't work after confirming polarity and using a new battery, it may need reprogramming at a Ford dealership. This typically costs $50 to $100. Remember, battery depletion accounts for 90% of key fob issues in these Ford Focus models. Proper battery replacement usually resolves the problem. When replacing your key fob battery, dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. Many stores that sell batteries also offer recycling programs. Contact your local electronics store or waste management company for proper disposal. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste and save money in the long run. These sustainable options are becoming increasingly popular among vehicle owners.